welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have a Feel Unique pick and mix unboxing. For those of you who aren't aware, this is a sample service offered by the website Feel Unique. Once a month you can log onto their website and choose from an array of different samples, be it hair care, skincare, perfume and occasionally makeup, and you can choose 5 different samples and all you have to pay is the £3.95 shipping. When you receive your email confirming dispatch of your samples, you will also receive a gift voucher in reimbursement of the £3.95 shipping, so effectively this is a free service. The £3.95 gift voucher can be used against anything on the website. I don't believe there are any restrictions in place for that. This service has actually been on pause for a good few months now. I believe it did go on pause around about November time because I did get one of these back in October, and when I went to choose my samples in November it said that the service was currently unavailable. It did say that it would be back in time for Christmas, but Christmas came and went and the service didn't come back. Obviously I appreciate, given the current climate, they were trying to move their manpower elsewhere than trying to concentrate on getting samples out. I had been checking on a weekly basis to see if this service had come back, so I was very excited to see last week when I could place an order for the samples once again. I don't know if they've possibly brought it back from the beginning of February once they've got the Christmas rush and January sales rush out the way, but I am definitely really glad to see it back. And upon looking through the list of samples, there were quite a few new ones that they had added, so I was actually spoiled for choice this month, which is good because on the tail end of me last getting the samples everything was getting a little bit samey, so I was very glad to definitely see quite a few new samples, and hopefully the ones that I didn't pick up this month I can pick up next month. Just in case I didn't know, which I don't believe I did, this is not a subscription service in any way. You don't sign up to a rolling term or anything like that. You do just log on to the website once a month and you can only get one set of samples per month. What I normally do in these videos is I go over the previous month's samples that I've tried. Since it has been some months since I last got pick and mix samples, I believe I did go over the ones from October in a beauty kit that I got towards the end of the year, so I think I have fully reviewed them. If not, they would be in empties videos anyway. But this video is technically starting afresh and I will just be going over the samples that I've picked. So why don't we get into what I have chosen? Not that it matters, but I do always go through and work out the value of each of these samples, so as I'm running through each one I will let you know. I'm just nosy and do like to know how much worth is in each of the products I'm receiving, but it doesn't really matter, especially because this is a free service. So the first thing I chose this month is from CeraVe, and this is the Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. This says it's for normal to dry skin. It cleanses, hydrates and removes makeup without disrupting the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides. I've tried quite a few things from CeraVe. I believe I have tried their hydrating cleanser, which again is in a green bottle, but I don't think I've tried the cream to foam, so I was really intrigued by this and wanted to give it a go. I have been trying quite a few cleansers as of late, not because I'm trying to replace my favourite one, which is from ELF, but just I seem to be in a thing of trying cleansers at the moment, so I thought I would give this one a go. So the full size of this is £12.50 for 236ml. This is 15ml, so I work out that this is worth 79 pence. And just to show you, it does come in a squeezy tube. Next, I picked this item from Goldfarden MD. This is the Solution Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturiser. I have tried an eye cream from this brand through the pick and mix samples and I did quite enjoy it, so I was intrigued by this product. I don't generally tend to suffer from an uneven skin tone, but I believe there were a few other claims that I've seen on the website that meant it did sound quite good to me, and I am on the lookout for a good daily moisturiser. The full size of this is £60 for 50ml, so this 5ml sachet is worth £6. Next, I picked something from Dermalogica. Dermalogica is a brand that does feature quite heavily in the pick and mix samples. They do always have a lot of choice, and I did try some in my October pick and mix samples and enjoyed them, so thought I would pick another one up. And I was really intrigued by this one, which is the Power Rich Age Smart. I do believe that this is just a moisturiser. It says on the back, maximum intensity skin treatment to help fight visible signs of aging. Experience a smoother, refreshed appearance with this nourishing skin treatment that helps improve the look of prematurely aging skin. So actually, now I think about it, it does sound quite similar to the product from number 7 that I'm using, which is the Line Booster Serum. So I'm quite intrigued to do kind of side-by-side comparison of those two products if they are quite similar. But price wise though, I probably will be sticking with the number 7 one, because a full size of this, which is 50ml, retails for £175. So this sample, which is just 1ml, is worth £3.50. So yeah, kind of hoping that I prefer the number 7 one, because £175, I definitely won't be spending that much unless it does make me look about 15 again. Next, I chose this sample from True Skincare. This is the Certified Organic Nourishing Avocado and Evening Primrose Facial Oil. So this one does say it is for dry skin, which I don't overly tend to suffer from, but I thought it might be good in the colder months because that is when, if any time, I do get the dry skin. This is a brand that I actually tried for the first time because I got one of these oils in the Holland & Barrett Advent Calendar in December. The one I got was rosemary, so they did have the rosemary one on with the samples as well as one other one and this one. This was the one scent-wise that sort of appealed to me the most. It does come in this so cute little bottle with the dropper, which I definitely appreciate, because when these kind of products come in the sachets, it can be a bit of a nightmare because obviously they are very runny, so you do always have to store it upright. So I definitely appreciate it being in this little bottle, and you can get the measured amount of what you need with the dropper. Now, looking at this product, it doesn't look like there's very much in there at all, but because I have tried one of the other ones, I know that this is quite a potent product. When I first started using the other oil, I was going in with 3 or 4 drops all over my face and it was just too much. What I tend to go in with now is 1, maybe 2 drops maximum, and that does my entire face. So I know I will get quite a few uses out of just this little sample. So the full size of this is £13.50 for 30ml. So I work out that this 2ml is worth 90p. I'm really excited to give this one a go and be able to compare it to the other one. Actually, I do want to give it a smell and see what it smells like. The other one that I have, I think it's rosemary and something else. It might actually be rosehip. This one does smell quite similar to the other one in that the other one smells slightly of lavender, but this one seems like it is ever so slightly sweeter, so I might like it that little bit more. But yeah, excited to give this cute little bottle a go. The final sample is from La Roche-Posay, and this is a really hard product to say. Is it Toleriane Ultra Dermalagaro? Legaro? I don't know. It's French, I've just completely butchered that. And this says it is a neurosensine serum, whatever that is. I realised that it does have English on the inside. It says it hydrates for 48 hours, helps to repair skin barrier, and is a fresh protecting serum. It immediately soothes sensitive skin, and after 4 weeks, signs of skin sensitivity caused by dryness, redness, tingling and heating sensations are soothed, and it is 0% alcohol and 0% fragrance. I just picked this one up because I was really intrigued about it, and I had actually seen an Instagram ad for this product, so I do believe this is actually a new release. When I first seen the picture, I was thinking it was either going to be a clear liquid or possibly a blue liquid, but it is this kind of cloudy liquid. So I do definitely appreciate that it's in a bottle which is actually glass by the sounds of it, so I'll have to be careful with that. But I do appreciate that it's in a bottle with a stopper, especially with it being a serum, and with it being 5ml product, it is a decent sample as well. So I am really intrigued to give this one a go and see what it's about. So value wise for this one, the full size is £28 for 20ml. So I work out that this 5ml is worth £7. So these are all 5 samples that I chose this month in the Feel Unique Pick and Mix samples. I've totted up that the value of all these comes to £18.19, which, considering I didn't technically pay anything for it, I think is really good value. And these are all products that I am genuinely excited to try, and I say hopefully the ones that I couldn't pick up this time I can get next month. But that is all for my unboxing of the Feel Unique Pick and Mix samples, and that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.